What's good, boys? Today I'm gonna be putting y'all on to the method to getting y'all's push-ups up. Everybody thinks that you should just do push-ups, then 15, 20 reps, and then do it for a couple more sets, and you'll get your push-ups higher. Now let me put y'all on. Go your absolute hardest. Go until you can't put another rep. You're having to rest. You're struggling, bro. And you do this every day, and you increase the amount of reps, because every day you're gonna be able to hit a higher PR with push-ups. It might be one push-up, it might be two. You might even go up 5 in one day, because that's just sometimes you just go up unexpectedly. But in this video, I'm just gonna be starting that challenge, kind of like what I did at the beginning of the channel, and we were doing 100 push-ups. But now we're solely focused on getting stronger. We're not focused on doing the 100 push-ups. We're just focused on getting stronger, because we're not going off a routine. We're going off of getting stronger, getting bigger. Alright, boys, that was the first set over with. We're gonna do pull-ups now, and our goal is to get 50 push-ups a day and 25 pull-ups. But we're still making sure we're going as hard as we can, but our end goal is that 50 and that 25. that's gonna wrap up today's videos, boy. Video. I don't know why I said video. I hope y'all enjoyed. We're gonna keep increasing our strength with every video. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.